If you have the skill and professionalism to install quality windows and doors, and you care about doing things the right way, welcome to Pella. As a Pella Certified Installer, the benefits to you and your contracting business are obvious. Do the work you like to do without the hassle and wasted time associated with bid work, scheduling, and billing. Pella's automated, online, real-time scheduling makes it easy to take as much or as little work as you want. Project photos, descriptions, and installation dates are posted online. Review the details, accept the job, and it loads right into your calendar. We provide Pella-branded crew apparel, signage, and all the necessary parts and Pella-specific materials. Most installers use their own truck or trailer. Some use vehicles provided by our regional branches. Our certified installers get great support and training, compensation and bonuses, and the prestige of working with a respected brand. The first step to becoming Pella certified is to apply at one of our branches and show us your installation process. We focus on the quality of your work, your product knowledge, professionalism, and communication skills. After that, simply complete our online training module and you're good to go. We keep it simple because it is simple. We want to hire the best installers to work with the industry's best product. Because to our customers, our certified installers represent the Pella brand.